arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat. Causes and symptoms. An arrhythmia describes an irregular heartbeat. With this condition, a person's heart may beat too quickly, too slowly, too early, or with an irregular rhythm. Arrhythmias occur when the electrical signals that coordinate heartbeats are not working correctly. An irregular heartbeat may feel like a racing heart or fluttering. Many heart arrhythmias are harmless. However, if they are highly irregular or result from a weak or damaged heart, arrhythmias can cause severe and potentially fatal symptoms and complications. What is arrhythmia? Cardiac arrhythmia refers to a group of conditions that cause the heart to beat irregular, too slowly or too quickly. There are several categories of arrhythmia including bradycardia or a slow heartbeat, tachycardia or a fast heartbeat, irregular heartbeat also known as a flutter or fibrillation, early heartbeat or a premature contraction. Most arrhythmias are not severe and do not cause complications. Some, however, can increase the risk of stroke or cardiac arrest. Some people may hear doctors use the word dysrhythmia when referring to their irregular heartbeat. The two words arrhythmia and dysrhythmia mean the same, but the word arrhythmia is more prevalent. What is normal heartbeat? Doctors identify a healthy heartbeat by counting the number of times the heart beats every minute or BPM during rest. This is known as the resting heart rate. The range for a healthy resting heart rate varies between individuals, but the American Heart Association suggests that it is usually between 60 to 100 BPM. The fitter a person is, the lower their resting heart rate becomes. Olympic athletes, for example, will usually have a resting heart rate of less than 60 BPM because their hearts are highly efficient. The heart should beat with a regular rhythm, consisting of double beats with even spaces in between each. One of these beats is the heart contracting to provide oxygen to blood and that has already circulated, and the other involves the heart pushing oxygenated blood around the body. A person can measure their heart rate using their pulse. This is a point at which they can feel the heartbeat through the skin. The best locations on the body for this are the wrists, the insides of the elbows, the side of the neck, the top of the foot. Causes. Any interruption to the electrical impulses that stimulate heart contractions may result in arrhythmia. Several factors can cause the heart to work incorrectly, including alcohol abuse, diabetes, substance use disorder, drinking too much coffee, heart disease such as congestive heart failure, high blood pressure, hyperthyroidism or an overactive thyroid gland, stress, scarring of the heart, often due to a heart attack, smoking, certain dietary and herbal supplements, some medications, structural changes in the heart. A person with good heart health will hardly ever experience long-term arrhythmia unless they have an external trigger such as a substance use disorder or an electric shock. However, an underlying heart problem can mean that electrical impulses do not travel through the heart correctly. This increases the risk of arrhythmia. Symptoms. Arrhythmia might not cause noticeable symptoms. However, a doctor may detect an arrhythmia during a routine examination or after requesting an electrocardiogram or EKG. Even if an individual notices symptoms, it does not necessarily mean that they have a severe arrhythmia. Some people with life-threatening arrhythmias may have no symptoms, while others with arrhythmias symptoms may not have a severe arrhythmia. Symptoms depend on the type of arrhythmia as follows. Symptoms of tachycardia. Symptoms of a rapid heartbeat include breathlessness, dizziness, fainting or nearly fainting, fluttering in the chest, chest pain, lightheadedness, sudden weakness. Symptoms of bradycardia. Bradycardia can cause the following symptoms: angina or chest pain, trouble concentrating, confusion, finding exercise more difficult than usual, dizziness, tiredness, lightheadedness, palpitations, shortness of breath, fainting or nearly fainting, profuse sweating. Symptoms of atrial fibrillation. When atrial fibrillation symptoms occur, they often have a rapid onset and may involve angina, breathlessness, dizziness, palpitations, fainting or nearly fainting, weakness. Risk factors and prevention. The following may increase a person's risk of arrhythmia: being 65 years of age or older, inherited genetic anomalies, underlying heart problems, hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, some prescription medications and over-the-counter drugs, hypertension, obesity, uncontrolled diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, electrolyte imbalances, heavy and regular alcohol consumption, too much caffeine, illegal drugs. While some of these are unavailable, a person can take a few steps to reduce their risk of arrhythmia. These actions include staying active, avoiding the regular use of alcohol or illegal drugs, and limiting caffeine intake. The American Heart Association recommend at least 150 minutes of moderately intense exercise every week.